I want to thank you for joining us again. Today, we're in the Western Carolina mountains and we're looking at a beautiful 1969 Datsun 2000. We're looking into the engine here. We'll come right around. This car has a beautiful paint job. I'm going to reach in here and put my hand down on the engine, and it is not hot. And down here you can see down in the manifold and so forth. I'm going to ask the owner to turn the key on this one, and so you can go ahead and fire it up. All right. All right. Starts right up. Okay, you can see that this is a good looking car, and it starts right up and it's got nice power to it. We'll tell you a little bit more about it in just a bit.